Hey, Facebook. Let me know first off if you can hear me. I'm not sure if the mic is on or not. Um, I just wanted to jump on and thank God for my work from home opportunity. I'm here at Greenville Memorial with my ride or die, better known as my mom. She's getting a little procedure done, getting some cataracts removed. And excuse me, get up here, and it's going to take an hour and a half to 3 hours for the procedure. And what do they say? You have to wait in your car or go home because no one can be in the waiting room. So my mom went back. I'm in the parking lot in a hot car. But the thing is, I wanted to get to, and the reason I want to thank God for my work from home opportunity is because how else would I be able to do this? If I worked somewhere, had I worked somewhere, I would have had to ask permission. They would have had to grant permission. And it's awful. It's terrible. So, that's the good thing about your work from home business. It's one reason I love it, because there's no way in the world that I'd let my ride or die, my mama, Brianna's Mima, go through this. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I may have to sit in the car for an hour and a half, 3 hours. But that's okay, because I can do it. While I'm here, my business is working for me. It never stops, 24/7. The plan is for today, I'm going to do this, then I'm going to go home, and I'm going to buy my domain name, and I'm going to start my blog. So hopefully, y'all will sign up for that. Be a good thing. We all need a blog. And with my system, you get unlimited blogs. So works out great for me. So for $30 a month, I get unlimited capture pages, unlimited websites, unlimited blogs, autoresponder. All I do is drive traffic to a link, and then it takes over. The system takes over, and the system sells. I got paid yesterday, and it's awesome to wake up every Wednesday to a paycheck. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know. And with everything going on, I think a lot of people should be looking into a secondary work from home opportunity. We definitely looks like we're going that way. And if you're curious about my system or anything like that, you can always get in touch with me right here on Facebook. You can go to my page, Affiliate Influencer 864. That's my Facebook page. Go there, like the page. It has everything I'm into is on that page. So yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up. I appreciate it, and I think y'all be safe. Love you and mean it.